Soldier Love was killed. What killed Chibaba? Soldier Love was one of the most talented and controversial artists ever made here in Zimbabwe. The death of Soldier Love robbed the nation of a talented and one of the Zimdanso star ever made in Zimbabwe. He took Zimdanso from one level to another with his own creativity of captivating vocal content and his marvelous voice projections. He has got thousands of copycats trying to fit his boots, and to reality, no artist is matching his craft in his own right. Chibaba was involved in many scandals during his peak of the musical career, up to the time of his death. And what are some of the scandals? Born Saul Msakamzavazi in 1989 with his twin brother, he grew up in the suburbs of Waterfalls. He rose to fame in 2012 with hits like Kum Kum and later Ndini Uya Uya, and many other hits that became anthems in each and every household. Even in 2016, his song Pamamonya Ipapo rocked the waves and made him man of the moment at the present time. He won several Zima and Nama awards, which proved he became the king of Zimdanso, which many are failing to meet the standards. Chibaba was diagnosed diabetic at the age of 7. His diabetic condition was worsened by the abuse of drugs and narcotics, which made Soldier Love to be once admitted for rehab at Yada Hotel, owned by Prophet Walter Magaya of the Prophetic Healing and Deliverance PhD Ministries. He was facing mental challenges, hallucinations, as side effects of substance abuse. His leg was also supposed to be amputated, but as he released the song Zvandasangana Nemunhu waMwari, he was praising Mr. Magaya for healing him and avoided the amputation. He followed suit after the former lover and wife, Bounty Lisa, who once visited the Yada family. The Zimdanso king got arrested in 2015 after he was paid a deposit of $750 and to be paid the balance after performance. What made Soldier Love to fail to perform? It was nothing else rather than being stoned or drugged, and failed to stand on his own, and hugely disappointed the fans and the big loss on the promoter. The much loved and talented artist and his conquering family crew caused a mayhem at Mucheke Stadium attending the Zimdanso Summer Festival. They manhandled fans several times, avoiding them to get closer to the star. Not